Hey guys, how's your performance in the bedroom?
What are you talking about, Willis?
I'm Shauna and this is Brian. Welcome to our channel, Life Uninterrupted.
In 2018, we sold our home, auctioned off most of our belongings, and bought a motorhome, which we affectionately refer to as Frida.
We travel full-time with our two French bulldogs, Lucy and Ricky.
Join us on our adventures by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you're notified when our videos release each week. Yet another DIY project. What's been the hardest part of moving from sticks and bricks to a 35-foot motorhome for you?
Oh, going from a king-size bed to a queen, for sure.
I think that's pretty typical for a lot of people. And, you know, it's downsizing from the large size bed to a smaller size bed. And then comfort usually is usually always an issue. And, you know, we actually have a sleep number bed in ours, which is pretty nice. So we can, you know, raise that or lower that in terms of pressure. And that helps whenever we have aches and pains or just want a softer mattress or whatever. But it does have its issues.
Yeah, but
yeah, it's not completely comfortable. We had to put a 3 or 4 inch cooling mattress foam topper on top of it to kind of get a little bit more comfort. But
and it seems to lose a little bit of its firmness as we go as well. So it seems like we're adjusting quite often.
Yeah, that's true. And of course, when you go up and down in elevation and in temperature too. I noticed that it is kind of cold. If it's cold in the coach, then the air obviously in the chambers is cold and the bed seems a little cold to me. So Brooklyn Bedding reached out to us and said, hey, how would you like to check out one of our mattresses and introduce this to the RV community? And I said, absolutely. Shauna jumped on that, and I was working with a gentleman by the name of Andre. They're at Brooklyn Bedding, and they were nice enough to ship us this mattress. We picked out this very, very nice innerspring mattress that has some really cool features, and we'll outline those as we go through. But the first kind of order of business is going to be to unpack this, and it comes in this box, of course, and then within this it's sort of sealed up in a plastic bag, and then like most foam mattresses, you unroll it and it just kind of poofs, and a few hours later you have a mattress. But we have to get the mattress out of the coach, and that means deflating the chambers, kind of tearing everything apart, getting the mattress topper off of that, unboxing this, getting this inside, and then unfurling it. So that's the process. Yeah, just basically it's a 3-step process like it says here on the box. Set up, unbox it, unroll it, and expand it. I would imagine it takes a few hours to do that. So that's what we'll be doing today, and we'll sleep on it tonight, give it a couple weeks of sleep, see how we like it, and kind of report back before we give you thumbs up, thumbs down, and sort of thing. That's the plan.
So I also want to emphasize that I am super excited about getting a new mattress. This is something that I wanted last year for Christmas, and we kind of talked ourselves out of it just because, you know, mattresses are expensive and we just weren't sure which way to go. Lots of choices out there.
First order of business is going to be going inside and getting that old mattress out of there, getting things cleaned up, get all the dust bunnies out, and then we'll get this one set up. There that is. I don't have any idea which way this thing's going to unfold, so I guess
Just stand back.
once we take the cellophane off, or the shrink wrap, we'll probably have some time to situate it.
Yeah, we really will.
So let's find an end of that shrink wrap. There it is. There we go.
This is Brian and Sean's comedy hour here.
That was a goat rope.
Yep.
Well, look at it. It's almost fully inflated
I know,
already.
look at that.
Had I really kind of understood the orientation of the mattress, we wouldn't have had to do all the finagling that we just did. But
Does it look taller than what we had?
yeah, it's
Feels, I mean, it looks taller to me.
our other one was about 13 inches, and this says 13 and a half.
Ah,
So
okay.
basically the same size.
Oh my gosh, it's really cool.
Yeah.
It's like cold.
Yeah, this has a really cool proprietary cooling gel topper on it. And again, I'll go through all of the specs on this particular mattress.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah.
I like
But
it.
Sean and I both tend to sleep a little hot.
So here's what, okay. So one of us can lift up.
Lift up and all.
Nope, I have it all the way up. Okay,
Nice. So fits perfectly.
yeah. Okay, sweeties.
Nice. It's actually probably about 2 inches shorter or so than the Sleep Number. Maybe because on the Sleep Number the air ports were in the back, so it had to stick out from the wall a little bit. This one fits pretty much right up against the wall. So very nice. You know what? This thing, I think it's probably fully inflated.
It looks like it.
Maybe a couple more hours it will. See, it's a little bit loose on the top, but so maybe in a couple of hours
This is exciting.
it'll puff up a little bit more.
This is so exciting.
Pretty neat.
Very, very cool. And it even has the Brooklyn bedding down here on the end. Where's my phone
So
now?
just looking at the quality, the construction, just from a quick glance, stitching, all very nice, very high quality materials.
Well, we're at the 30-day mark right now, and we are ready to share our thoughts with you on our new mattress.
But before we get into talking about all those specifics, you know, we've had a few RVs in our day, and without fail, at least in our case, every mattress has been poor at best.
If you're buying a brand new rig, you're thinking, cool, I'm getting a brand new mattress. But a lot of times you're getting just the basics or the stock mattress. It can be like a futon mattress. It can be just your average
Inexpensive foam mattress. We've had RVs that come with just a foam. It's not even a high density foam, just back in the day when that, you know, the gel things and stuff weren't popular. But you know, in most cases though, most RVs come with just your standard inner spring mattress that sits on top of a platform just like ours does. And again, you know, the RV companies, no fault of theirs, they go out to these mattress manufacturers and try to get the best deal they can for a mattress that kind of meets the average person's needs for, I don't know, maybe a year or two tops, in our opinion.
Yeah. And then if you're buying a used rig, you're actually getting someone else's mattress.
Right.
Whether they upgrade it or not, you have the potential to have dips in your mattress.
Yeah.
It could be broken down on the sides. May not even be what you like. You may like firm, and this could be extra soft, or vice versa. So
It used to be firm, and now it's extra soft.
You. Yes. And that was the case with us. We actually, when we purchased our rig, it came with a decent mattress.
Well, a very nice mattress,
Yeah.
actually. This had a Sleep Number, the RV Sleep Number mattress version for our size, and that was a short queen.
Mm-hmm.
And while it was a great mattress, it had its shortcomings. There were things we liked about it, things we didn't like about it. We kind of had to keep improving it to add some more comfort and cooling and all that stuff. So
Right.
it met its need for, it met our needs rather, for, I don't know, a couple of years, almost 2.5 years since we've been in the coach. So
Yeah.
just time to move on to something a little higher quality.
So when Brooklyn Bedding reached out to us, I was super excited about that.
Yeah, like Shauna said, she'd been wanting a mattress for a while, and it just wasn't in the cards. We couldn't make the timing work out for us at that particular time. But we are super happy so far. So let's kind of get into why we like the mattress so much and why we think you will too. This is a #1 RV upgrade because all of you know, if you have a bad mattress, you have a bad night's sleep. You have a great mattress, you have a great night's sleep, and that impacts everything you do.
We were super excited when we were contacted by Brooklyn Bedding because it's a company that we're familiar with. They have a great reputation and they're known for their product as well as their quality. They've been around since 1995 and they actually named the company after their daughter, Brooklyn, which I think is cool.
Yeah, they're headquartered in Arizona, so being Shauna's an Arizona native, and of course we've lived there for many, many years, we consider that kind of our hometown, so it's always nice to do business with a small hometown company, although Phoenix is not small, the company's small. Another great thing is they have a 120-day sleep trial, which is nice.
Yes.
Return it within those 120 days, no questions asked, or they can potentially help you get into another mattress that actually works better for you.
Right.
And on top of that, they offer a 10-year mattress warranty, which is pretty good.
And they will ship anywhere in the US for free and fast.
One of the most important things you can do in selecting a mattress is go through a process of determining what kind of sleeper you are, whether you sleep hot or cold, on your side, on your back, all those things that's important to make sure you get the right mattress for you. And Brooklyn Bedding makes it easy. Their website's easy to find, rvmattress.com. And here's a link to their blog where they guide you through that process.
We chose the Brooklyn Aurora Hybrid mattress, which had a lot of really cool features that we thought were important to us, and especially one that I really appreciate, and that's the cooling cover.
The Aurora Hybrid comes with a premium smooth top weave, a top that delivers Titan Cool benefits on contact. The second layer offers a 1.5-inch copper flex with Titan Cool. The 1.5-inch layer of patented copper flex is paired with Titan Cool, a water-based surface infusion with high conductivity properties that draws excess heat away from the body, maintaining optimal comfort for each individual sleeper. An added infusion of copper helps promote an antibacterial sleeping environment. The third layer consists of a medium version of Titan Flex, which offers a medium layer of just right comfort, featuring immediate response technology that adjusts to your body each time you move. The fourth layer consists of a third layer of 1-inch gel swirl memory foam that ensures added pressure point relief. The fifth layer consists of a zone layering system of up to 1,032 individually encased Ascension coils that delivers ultimate support to your body where it's needed the most. The sixth and final layer is a 3/4-inch high-density foam base, which adds durability to the mattress while reinforcing individually encased coils as they compress. Aurora Hybrid is available in 3 furnaces. We chose the medium, again, based on the process we went through to understand what kind of sleepers we were, and ours is a short queen. So, Brooklyn Bedding, when you look at the blog, you'll see all of the different types of RV mattress sizes they offer.
Short queen is pretty popular, right?
Yeah, I think short queen's probably one of the most popular.
And that's some of the trouble or the challenge folks who want a new mattress for their RV have is trying to find someone who makes a short queen mattress.
Right.
Well, they do. Plus, they make mattresses not just for RVs, just for regular sticks and bricks.
Yeah, I don't know how many times I've seen videos people order especially the memory foam mattresses, and they're not the right size. They're not a short queen, so they have to take a bread knife and chop it off so that it'll fit on the platform. Brooklyn Bedding, you don't need to do that.
No. It comes ready-made, ready to go.
Right.
So the moment you've all been waiting for, we're ready to share our 30-day thoughts with you.
Yeah, honestly, it took me, I think Shauna acclimated pretty quickly within a week. It took me 2 probably closer to 2 weeks. And that's pretty typical. And it's one of the things that the RVmattress.com website will tell you. If you read that blog that I pointed you to earlier, it'll tell you your body has to get acclimated. And it's just a process of, your body saying, hey, I'm getting relieved in a different way, so now it has to get used to that. So it took me a good 2 weeks. So 2 to 4 weeks is pretty typical.
I acclimated pretty quickly to it. There was something about our other mattress that anytime you move in the bed, I felt like it was kind of on an air mattress and it would bump me around a little bit. Plus I had some arm aches and pains and some lower back. Well, the first night just laying on the mattress, it is super comfortable just to lay on our backs. Yeah. But I found it through the night. It took me about a week in total to acclimate, and I was sold after that.
Yeah, one of the things that we wanted to make sure of is any mattress that we got had vibration or motion isolation, and this mattress does a really good job. I don't feel her move at all. I don't think she feels me move very much unless I'm flopping around, which is not too often. But yeah, that was super important to us, and probably right up there in terms of the ability to keep us cool when we sleep.
Oh yeah, because we're not always in a nice cool place, and we don't always have AC, so that was super important. But one of the reasons that whole motion piece was important, we went from a king-size bed in our sticks and bricks to a queen, and we're sharing a lot more space, so that movement piece was really important for us.
In fact, this mattress is so comfortable, there are nights I don't even wake up. We really don't have an alarm other than the dogs, so I sleep completely through the night. Next thing I know, about 5:30, 6 o'clock, one of the dogs is letting us know that they need to go out. Right. And I wake up and I'm like, holy cow, did I sleep? I mean, it's been that drastic of a change, and it's a good sleep.
Yeah.
So.
And I'm so glad to hear that, because I know in that first week or two you were kind of worried about whether or not we were going to have to nix and put the other mattress back in, and I was hoping, oh, please adjust. And I'm so glad you did. I
was just being impatient. I wanted things to happen a little quicker, but once my body said, hey, this is actually good for me, it was all said and done, and I've slept great ever since.
Lessons learned here at this point: don't skimp on performance in the bedroom. It's what's going to start and set the tone for your entire day.
Brooklyn Bedding has given us a great opportunity to pass on some super big savings to you. So they've given us an awesome promotion code for 20% off. All you have to do is enter the discount code LYFU to save 20% on your Brooklyn Bedding mattress.